Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, and this is a space where I love to share recipes with you that I love, especially Mexican plant-based food. And today I have another really rustic, beautiful recipe from Mexico that dates pre-Hispanic times, that of Nopales Rancheros. A very beautiful recipe where you get to use the prickly pear cactus pads, and it's a beautiful and easy introduction to nopales. The ingredients are nopales, water for boiling them, a quarter of a white onion, 2 garlic, vine-ripe tomatoes with their juice, chopped white onion, cilantro, chopped garlic, dried oregano, salt, black pepper, and these two are optional, the husks of 2 tomatillos, and your favorite dried chili flakes. I really like these smoked ghost pepper flakes. To work with our nopales, we first have to boil them. This will remove some of the aloe that's in them. So we have our nopales, our onion, our garlic, 1 teaspoon of our salt, the 2 tomatillo leaves, but these are optional. The name Nopales Rancheros roughly translates to ranch-style cactus. And that's really what this is. It's a very sort of homey recipe, something that you definitely wouldn't see at a restaurant in Mexico, but that families make at home. And it also really represents the cuisine of Mexico from pre-Hispanic times. The nopales are ready, so let's go ahead and drain them. Safely remove your tomatillo husks. To cook our nopales, let's get our heat going to about a medium to high heat. I'm adding the olive oil. Enough to cover your pan should be enough. The onion. Our garlic. I'm gonna add our spices, the black pepper, the oregano. I like to add them at this point so that the flavors can start blooming and just be brighter. Now let's add our nopales. I like to keep the onion and garlic from when we boil them, but this is optional, you can remove them. Mix them around a little bit to get the olive oil into every piece. Let's add the tomato. Now add the cilantro. Mix everything well. And at this point, I like to add about half of the salt that we still have left. I'm going to turn my heat down to about a medium-low and let it cook for a little bit. This is a recipe that always reminds me of growing up in Mexico, about how we were able to take simple ingredients and put them together into something so beautiful. Have you ever had nopales? Let me know down in the comments if you've had them, what your favorite ways to eat them. And if you've never had them, I hope that you try out this recipe. It's such an easy and beautiful introduction to nopales or prickly pear cactus. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the new recipes. Buen provecho.